Hi guys, in this video we are talking about commercial window cleaning with using rope access. And right now I am in Manhattan, came to another project. I came early to check it out and give you some heads up before my guys will arrive and will start cleaning this building. But before I will go into details, like and subscribe to my channel to support it and to give a chance to more people on the YouTube world to see this video and see how we do work here in New York. Management of this building behind me, not this one, that's an Empire State building. This building behind me contacted Total Window Service with request for commercial window cleaning. I don't know if you can see on the video, but windows are in really bad shape. First thing I noticed when I arrived to check this building, there's a lot of overhangs. You see, it's practically on every floor of this building. And overhangs usually makes our work a little bit more difficult, especially when the window's old wooden frame like this. These windows are not, I don't know, my personal feeling that the suction cups when we use for cleaning windows like this are not the best option to use. Although if we use it, we have to be cautious to the window that we attach our suction cup to. Just because it's an old window, large panels and wooden frame, not the best setup. The other thing important to remember, we're working in Manhattan and there's a lot of people all the time. Right now it's morning, a little bit less people than it's gonna come eventually. But when the guy's gonna be hanging up there, I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of tourists walking back and forth and we're gonna need to watch them. We're gonna need to build the barricades underneath the working area and keep an eye on everybody who's walking. Try to clear the area of hazard when we are doing the work. So guys started to clean this building yesterday. They didn't finish, they just started. We ran into the story that it took a little bit more time than we expected to clean this building, just because these overhangs and plus the amount of dirt on the window, just I would say impressive. And it takes sometimes more time to clean it. And we are not doing just a regular cleaning. It's more like after construction cleaning when we do more scrubbing, I would say double cleaning in this case. Let's see the result and what was done yesterday, and let's compare it to the panels that are not cleaned yet. All right, so these are the panels that has been cleaned. You can see the windows are nice and shiny. And you see how large are the panels on the top and the other panels. So we can clearly see that it has been cleaned. There's some dirt inside, but we are not cleaning interiors. We're just cleaning exterior of the windows. These are all clean. And in here, yeah, we can see where the guy stopped. So, yep. So this is before and this is after. I mean, it's an obvious difference. And look at all these dirty panels over here. From this point, you can clearly see the difference that we make with cleaning windows in Manhattan. So look in what conditions these windows are. Look at here on the top, and this is the clean part. Look, you can clearly see how the squeegee went on the window above me. So you can clearly see that Manhattan is probably not like, I would say, the other part of the world, I would say. Maybe some other larger cities has similar situations, but here it's so much pollution. The construction is always somewhere around, even right now in here. And all that pollution is in the air, it settles on the windows, and not always building managements clean their buildings like every year. Sometimes it could take 2, 3, 5 years when building haven't been cleaned, and eventually we end up with more work for cleaning it, and it's more difficult actually to do it. But it's nothing that we're not used to, so we are cleaning it, and that's how the work here in Manhattan goes. So now let me take you to the roof and let's check the roof. And my guys should be here soon, and we'll go up with them. So keep watching, because next we're gonna go over the preparation to the actual job. Guys will come, we're gonna block the street, we're gonna go upstairs, see how they anchor the ropes. I will give you some heads up on how to do it properly, but this is just for informational purposes. Don't try to do it at home. We are the professionals. Taking this video more like entertainment video, less as a study guide on how to do it. You should get a training for the rope access before you actually do any type of work like this. All right, so I'm on the roof right now. I got my yellow vest. I'm gonna be helping guys on the street, watching the people. So as you can see, we are using parapet clamps in here. So the way we set up, you have 2 clamps over here for 1 person, and it's going down to across the edge, right? Besides that, there's a lot of metal structures. So the parapet clamps, I think they tie them off somewhere here. Well, we could solely use this structure here just for rigging and go straight down on the drop. We have some I-beams, ACs on the bottom that's still part of this roof, and we can throw the rope across. A lot of structure over there. I'll tell you what, not every building even has it. I think this building is pretty good in terms of rigging. It has a nice solid structures. We have some bulkheads that we can also use. A lot of things can be done here. So because we have here a nice fat wall and it's going all across the building, guys decided to use parapet clamps. They are just more convenient in this case. You need to use less rope, I would say manipulations. You just put a clamp straight in front of your drop, attach the rope, tie back the clamp, and you're good to go. Plus, when you work from these directions and you use rope to another side, which we are doing, you don't even need to tie back your wall clamps, as long as you're using 2 for 1 person. The roof, checked some rigging. I've done some rigging also. And we're waiting for the guys to show from the edge of the building. Let's see. And when we're doing these type of works, we're trying to keep all the team in one place when there's a lot of people walking on the sidewalk. So that's why all the guys, they are tied as close as possible, drop by drop. So this way we don't need to block too much of the sidewalk, the building area itself. And so you see the parapets over here, 1 and 2, and the 3rd on the top. This is like an overhang, and that's what makes the window cleaning more difficult. So guys have to also use rope protection on every edge in here and on this one, because the rope will swing and it will have a contact with the brick wall or whatever it is, the limestone, and potentially can be damaged or even fail. So rope protection is a critical thing when you do rope access, and you have to think ahead of time how many rope protectors you need and how to rig your ropes. You have to plan from the top to the bottom. You need to think where you're gonna land and how you're gonna get back up. Either you're gonna climb up the rope, or there's some other way you will access building and get back to the roof. Because it's not always the street side. Often we work on the other side where it's like a backyard, courtyard, and sometimes you end up in a courtyard of neighbor's building. And that all aspects needs to be addressed before you actually land on somebody's property. So we didn't center Alex into his drop, and he's a little bit on the side plus overhang. So I see he's a little bit struggling there. Although he's a right-handed and it's on the right side, so it's not too bad, but it would be a lot better for him to be somewhere in this area. So I'm sure he's gonna be fine. A little bit slower to finish the drop, but still okay. Yep, and as you can see, windows are dirty, so guys are taking time to make them look nice and clean. Now look, you see as Alex swing here on this side, how the rope scratching on this limestone. So this is a critical part to have a good rope protection, and that's what's gonna keep the ropes intact. Okay, so first drop is finished, and guys, ready to go up, prepare for the next drop. So let's check the work. Look at these windows. They look a lot better, although they still need a lot of work. And these windows never been cleaned, so it needs full restoration. I don't know, chemical work, probably even buffing, because I think some of them, as I see, the chemical may not even work. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we are cleaning building with rope access here in Manhattan in this video. So you see, look at that window. Look how bad it looks. Obviously, hard water stain, need really good scrubbing. Window on the left is better, but this is the real condition right now. This one looks a little better. So, yep, that's the reality of New York City. If you don't clean windows for a long time, this is what you end up with. And we're gonna need to do acid wash or full restoration of this glass. All right, so it's getting hot in here. A lot of sun. I took my hat, then I got from Daytona Beach, and I gotta wash my car. I'm walking on a thin blade with ticket situation here in Manhattan, just because you cannot park anywhere you want. And at the time when I'm making this video, it's a soccer World Cup going on right now, and you see all the balls on the bars, and we have to actually clean all the windows above that bar. And today at 4 o'clock, it's going to be a game of France and Croatia. So I'm pretty sure that a lot of people will gather in that small space to watch the game. And I'm going to rush my guys to do the job a little faster so we could finish this area before the crowd will come. And right now, you already see there's a lot more people walking behind me. But this sidewalk is pretty large, and enough space for us to block the area where we work and for people to walk. All right, so we have a little intrigue in here. So guys are just about this cafeteria. Sorry, it's a bar. Sports bar, and they write about the entrance to the bar, and it's getting to the time when France and Croatia is going to play, and I see more and more people getting in, and hopefully there's enough space for them inside, and they're not going to be coming out, you know, right above us, because it's going to be impossible to clean. So for now, I spoke with the bar manager, and I told him, listen, we're cleaning in windows here, try not to sit people right in this area, and try to keep them inside. So for now we're good, but we need another 30 minutes probably on the drop. All right, and if you're watching soccer and if you're a fan of soccer, tell me who you're cheering for. Leave it down in the comment. It will boost my video and you will make some good thing for my channel. And I'm always curious who people are cheering for. Personally, me, I don't know. Probably Portuguese. I like Ronaldo. He's my best for now. But France also good, so we'll see. It starts raining. Although on the forecast it doesn't say that it should rain. So I am assuming we may have a thunderstorm right now. And that's very, very bad because we did not finish our building. And we still have two drops left after they finish. Each of the guys finish this drop. These will still need to go on two more drops. So, I don't know. We was planning to finish it today, but we'll see. Guys, unbelievable. It's raining. It's raining right now, and guys are cleaning windows while it rains. It's still not a big rain. I'm hoping it's not gonna start pouring more, but for now, it is starting. All right, guys, meet Roman, one of my best guys. He just finished the drop. How was it?
Everything's good?
Was it difficult drop here?
Not really. That drop is not very difficult.
This one not, but those were
Those one is more difficult.
more difficult. All right, so thank you, Roman. Thanks everybody else. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Alex. Thanks, Alex. You see, he's watching that we're taking a video. And like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. We'll show you more how we do here in New York. All right, so right on time, guys, finished the drop, and see we are down, and look how much it's raining right now. So thank God we were able to finish our project. And you see, situations like this happen in New York. And I checked the forecast. There was no any type of a prediction for the rain, but it is what it is. Sometimes these clouds just come from nowhere, and we have what we have. This will mess up our schedule sometimes.